Welcome back, everyone, to another great episode of Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are replacing the door window switch for the 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan, saving you hundreds of dollars in this replacement. Parts are going to be listed in the video description down below, and let's jump in this so you can get your window rolled up before the rain comes. Welcome back, everyone. As I said, we are removing the door panel on the driver's side on the 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan. Now, this replacement procedure will match up for all 2007 to 2015 Volkswagen Tiguans. This window switch, the driver's side and the passenger side switches are broken, so the windows do not roll back up. So we need to remove the door panel to replace the window switch. If you look at the front midsection of your door panel, you'll see that small little notch right there. You need to insert an interior trim tool and remove that panel. After you get those two bolts, you have the last two remaining T30 bolts holding the door panel on at the bottom, there and there. After you remove those, you are good to go to start removing the door panel from the door. Now, as you can see on the midsection plastic, after you put an interior trim tool in there and get the space, you can put your fingers in there and finish taking it off. You do have the tab right there at the bottom, so watch out when finishing removing that. You have your T30 bolt right there and right there. All right, I got the top two bolts out. Now we're going to go for the bottom two T30s. There and there, and then we'll be able to get this door panel. Now that we have all the bolts out, we go ahead and pry the back with an interior trim tool set. Pop the back off right there, and we'll be able to pull the back off. There we go. See it? All right, I'm gonna need both my hands. Hang on. All right, this is a two-handed job, so just challenging myself here. All right, now that we have it all disconnected, we just got the wires right here, which is under here. You see? We're going to disconnect those wires. Right? And the hook for your door. On these little connectors, you're going to have to pull this spring back, okay, to unlock it, and it's on there pretty good. So give it a real good squeeze all the way back to that black arch right there, and it'll unlock it. And there we go. Our goal is that module right there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get that replaced. That way our driver's side window will go up on this 2011 Tiguan we picked up. So not bad. On this, when taking it out, you're going to unclip it, and then you will see in the side it has a groove. Bring the cable to the side, and you'll be able to unhook it real easy. Okay, let's go ahead and get this new module in so we can roll our windows up and save a few bucks along the way. Alright, as I said, I'm going after this driver's side window switch. If you see these grooves right here, you can see them on the inside as well. Those tabs, like that one. There's another right there that I already pushed out. You have to get those tabs out of your way. I suggest you put the door somewhere where you can work, and then you're just going to go ahead and take it out right there. Alright, so now we can go ahead and access the module, and go ahead and take the old one out and put the new one in. If you're needing a new one, I'm going to attach it to the video description down below for you, so you don't have to pay the incredible prices of the dealership. Alright, so as soon as I got it out, and I took it out of the frame, it burst into pieces. So that's probably why my driver's side window wouldn't roll up, and it looks like my passenger side one was about to go next. Alright, so no problem. We got the new one right there. I just wanted to show you this. With it having the hooks on it, you want to make sure you have it in the frame correctly. You know, have your clips all lined up with where they're supposed to go. Right over there. There, and then both hands. Go ahead and click it securely. Alright, there you go. Your new buttons are all in position and all good to go. Look beautiful. Okay, now we go ahead and put it back into the door so we can reinstall the door panel. Remember when reinstalling the switch frame, you gotta have that little hook at the back. So you're gonna go in at like an angle and then go down from there and push it into position, make sure it's all clamped in. Of course, use both hands. Don't attempt with one hand. So I'm gonna finish this with both hands so we can get this door panel back on. When replugging that spring-loaded harness in, give it a really good push and make sure you hear a click. If not, your window switch isn't going to work. Okay? Let's get this door panel back on. Now that we have the wire harnesses all plugged back in, we can go ahead and put the door panel back in position and start pressing back down on the exterior of the door panel to press it back into its fasteners. After that, you can go ahead and reinstall the 4 support bolts, the T30s that you took out. Alright, let's go ahead and power it up and see if we got it this time. There we go. Money in the bank right there. You got your window switch replaced. You saved some money. And we got some more problems with this 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan. So stay tuned, everyone, for the intake manifold replacement. If you're having the flapper problem, I got a video for you. So stay tuned.